heavy rain, in fact, continues to lash Mumbai. The IMD has issued a red alert for the city as well as Thane and Raigad for the next 2 days, warning of heavy to very heavy rainfall. While local trains are slightly delayed, flights are also seeing disruptions, with airlines advising passengers to plan extra travel time. You're looking at the visuals on your screens from various parts of the state as well. But for more, as far as the on-ground situation is concerned, and also with the aspect of flights being disrupted, Sameer Dikshit joins us with more.
The heavy rainfall has severely impacted the flight operations at Mumbai's international airport, leading to several flight delays, and even now the airlines are issuing advisory to the passengers. On August 16th itself, more than 350 flights it was impacted. Delays were there, and it continued for the last 48 hours as well. Even now, IMD, the Indian Meteorological Department, has issued a red alert for Mumbai and Thane region for August 18th and 19th, which means heavy to heavy rainfall is going to be there, which will definitely impact the flight operations. In addition to this, what we are also picking up from our sources, that in the last around 2 days, there has been 15 go around at Mumbai airport, which indicates to the fact that taking off from the airport or landing at the airport is a bit challenging for the pilot. In addition to this, now the airlines, whether it be Air India, Indigo, Akasa, SpiceJet, they are issuing advisory to the passengers to take a precautionary approach and take extra time while reaching to the airport. It also indicates to the fact that because of the heavy rainfall, there's going to be heavy traffic jam, or the traffic might be disrupted, and the passengers should take extra time while reaching to the airport. So similar kind of advisory has been issued for some other airports as well, like the Pune airport and several other South India based airport, because of the change in weather conditions. Now, IMD has also issued the red alert, and which is indicating that there is going to be a severe impact on the flight operations, thus leading to severe or a large discomfort to the air passengers as well.